We'll guide you through how to get and install mods in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods can go and enhance the game and add different things, so they can go and make the game more fun perhaps. So to go and get started, we need to come out of Minecraft Bedrock and we need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'll use Chrome. If you've got a mod in mind, you can go and search for it. Otherwise, if you want to go and browse for them, type in a site mcpedl, like so. Go and search for that, and you can come to mcpedl.com. There are loads of different Minecraft mods on here. It does say PE, but they're also going to work on Minecraft Bedrock as well. Now what you can do is start browsing through them here. So go and find one you want. For example, here we can go and get more tools. So what I can do is go and click on it. You can then scroll down and read about it. Now to go and download it, you need to come down to the downloads. What we can do is go and get the most up-to-date one. Often you're going to need to get an RP, which is the resource pack, and then behavior pack. So you can go and see RP then BP. So we can go and click on it here. And what I'll do is go and click it again, and it's now downloaded, and I can then go and click BP. The download process can be a little different for certain mods, but just follow through with the steps. Now we need to go and install them. So what we need to do is go and find the downloads. I'll go and open up my downloads in my file explorer. And then what we need to do is go and double click these. If you don't see the Minecraft icon, right click on it, hover over open with and press choose another app, and make sure you go and select Minecraft and press always. When you do that, Minecraft should open, and then you can go and double click on the other one as well. We've now installed them. What we can do is go and press play, and we'll go and create a new world. Scroll down on the left into resource packs, come into available and owned, and we can then press activate to the right, then come into behavior packs and make sure that's been activated as well. I'm going to go and make this creative just so we can go and check them out. You can go and see we now have the items that we went and added.